Let's say Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. What you doing?
Man, I got a gift for you. Great.
No guitar.
No guitar. You don't play guitar.
No.
Something that you really need. Something you really need for your business stuff.
Oh, my stomach.
It's aluminum. Yeah, it's aluminum. Yeah.
Yeah, that's aluminum. Yeah, hold on. Do we have any more heavy? No, looks like it's all okay. Yeah, I was in the middle of doing this. Getting this all done. Got one more to deal with. Oh, you still got the sewing machine on here.
Up and down with me. I got two of them.
Oh, my stuff. Yep. This one.
Clean.
Dirty. The lamp. Yeah, that's brass.
It's brass?
Probably. Ooh. You see it? Yep, dirty brass. Missed. I think that's all the aluminum there. I think that's probably steel. Yeah, he's probably saving that, and then this right here. Right, 110 bucks.
This is new.
Yeah.
This is new button. Hold over there.
Yep. Battery. And I've already marked those two chairs. We're at 5. I almost put 5 in there. Okay. That's steel. I don't buy steel. Steel out there.
All?
No, those two.
No.
That's good. Yeah, that's a steel. All right, I'm doing clean aluminum. steel. No. Metal. Metal. No, no. Rusty. Steel. Steel. No. Just because it looks stainless doesn't mean it is. I had a lady come about 10 minutes ago and she brought me a pound. Yeah. She brought me a pound of Christmas lights that she had cleaned. Hold on. And hold on. I know. Hold on. Un momento. She asked if it was worth it. This is steel. Is it worth it to clean Christmas lights? She said it took her 10 minutes to clean 1 pound of Christmas lights.
When you weigh the bat, I want it.
What, this?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm gonna keep that in my car.
In your car? Brass.
Brass.
Right, the same bed.
Yeah. Wait, no, that feels too heavy. No? Not really. Right there. Yep. 46. I'll call 44. There's probably 2 pounds of that clean in there. Yep. So I told her, she said it took 10 minutes and you did a pound of wire. And then if you times that by 6, over the course of an hour, works out to about $7 an hour. So it's not worth it. Just leave it alone. So Chris is sick today. He couldn't work on the machine, so. Our balers. That's why he's got a stack there. He doesn't want to turn on the power. Dust. I'm very fortunate that I don't have allergy issues, just the dust around here. We're in the dry season for Florida. So, very fortunate. My girlfriend has bad allergies. The grass and the pollens. give him one more. One more nice one. We'll do one more. Small one. I have a talking point that I'm kind of like worried to talk about, because we aren't by no means a political channel here at all. We don't want to mix politics in with recycling, but last night the tariffs took in effect. So I'm curious what people think of what that's going to do for the recycling industry. I think it's going to help raise prices, at least in the short-term future. I'm not so sure about long-term. I think in the short term, I think steel prices across the country are going to go up, and copper and aluminum. So the companies don't have to pay that extra 25% on aluminum and steel, and then I think it's 10% on copper. Don't yell at me, okay? I'm just curious if you guys think it's going to help the recycling industry, because that's what we're about, is the recycling industry, not politics. Just want to make that clear. Just throwing it out there. Let me know what you guys think tonight in the comments. If it's going to help us, if it's going to make things worse, or nothing. Like nothing will change. Take those out. Those don't go in there. Craftsman. Oh, is it breakage? Motor. What's that?
That motor sounded clean.
Clean? Yep. What's that? Arm rolling. All right.
I got a little more to yeah, there was a little bit of breakage. Go with the
What
other.
is that? That'll go in there. What am I doing? Number 1, 2. Hold on. 2. 1. Right.
Dump it on the back side of the car.
Yeah, because you can pick it up, you know.
It's one piece of extrusion, but this is extrusion on it. You want to do this clean or
Some.
dirty extrusion?
Clean. Clean aluminum.
Okay, I'm letting go. I ain't
All
holding
right.
shit. And then I got this little thing over here.
I'll keep it in this.
Yeah, don't worry.
And then I can get this, put that in there.
Throw with that on your plug.
-4. 40 bucks.
Oh yeah, not bad for you,
Nope.
man. Just
Not bad, yeah. Yeah.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah. I got everyone's guesses so far.
What are we doing?
Aluminum chairs. Clean or unclean, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Just chairs.
How many?
Yep, in a month.
In a month.
In a month. Huh?
That you're gonna bring in here.
That people are gonna bring. These are all the guesses, so there's anywhere from like 23 to 250. So,
Yep, I'm gonna go.
do you have any?
No.
We're sitting at 5. 5. Right now.
I think you're gonna get 96.
96. 96. Yep.
All right.
Nobody has that.
Cool, cool, cool.
Yep.
What would you like to do first?
Go and drink a beer at the Legion. How's that? We could do clean radiators if you want.
Everything okay?
What is all that stuff over there?
Where?
Light or dirty? I mean-
light and clean. I think that's
Look at the pressure washer. Huh?
It doesn't work.
Doesn't work. So what are you gonna do with it? Scrap it?
Well, I don't have my guy anymore, so yeah.
Make sure you take that brass off the end.
Oh, and the stain, the nozzle.
No. Underneath.
Here? Oh, okay.
That whole thing's brass. See that big chunk of brass?
Oh, here, yeah.
Yeah, that's just 4 bolts and that pops off. Yep.
Little guy?
Yep.
Got it.
Throw it. Good shot. All right. Yep, it's on 0. $25. Let's get our gloves on. Light irony, sir? Is that what we're doing? Want to go this way? Is it easier to come this way? The majority of that is light irony.
clean first? Or?
Light ironing. That's all dirty.
Oh,
That's all steel. You got your magnet?
no, right there behind you.
Well, son of a beeswax.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Valve covers are always. That's heavy. Yep. Throttle bodies. Yep. Piece of clean right there. That's clean, right? All this stuff. Dirty. Yeah, I should have cleaned that one.
That's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. Yep.
Here?
Yep. Let's see. Let's see the rest of those.
That one.
These are steel, I'm pretty sure. Nope, stainless.
I was gonna say no.
Yep, now those come out. I'm not sure what these are.
For this, it should be
Yep.
clean.
All right. Any more? Then we got all those. Did this go with it?
No,
Okay, so that's separate, right?
that's after.
That's after. Nice cam. Yeah, I think that's it for light irony. We'll do heavy. $48. Yep. I just have to get some time to clean that out.
Only 4.
And then we got these two guys. These two guys. $70. $14. How much you got in this, sir? How much you got in this?
What do you mean? How much I got in?
Dude, what's that say?
I'm done.
Oh, recording stopped.
Yeah.
Oh. You're at 107. All right, we're here at the crusher. He's inside the yard doing our 90%. I can't wait for them to come back. I gotta have this bin empty. So I'm gonna dump it going towards the front, not up against the grapple. Because you break the hoses. You're gonna be like, why'd you do that, Jeff? Weren't you thinking? What's wrong with you? It will do it. It does not like that at all. Being so far out on the forks. I was doing this so I wouldn't, so I could get in the machine a little further. That little sensor, man, it's just like, there we go. Give it a little bit of gas. Yeah, and it won't let you. I don't like that. It won't. I'm afraid that that is gonna fall there's nothing I could do about that. I'll pick them up if they fall. If they fall out, I'll pick them up. Let's try this again. Let's try getting a little bit farther back. There's a threshold for it. You've got the sweet spot. See if she'll do it. Oh, see? You gotta find that sweet spot. No. That's a safety feature, which is a good thing, but it's also a pain in the butt when you're trying to do stuff like this. They probably weren't intending it to have a rotator on it. Now let's try it. Something so simple is so complicated. Nothing I can do about that. Why don't you just dump it in the baler, Jeff? It's more complicated than that. guess they said that they... So we were gonna load this into the trailer, and then Karen just informed me in about an hour she has to leave. So I gotta go in there. That means my area will be shut down because, hold on. Too loud. Because my backup Chris is at home sick. So I don't know what you can do about that, you know. He's not going to come in when he's sick, although I will. Like the one video said last year, I think it was last year, bills don't care if you're sick. But from here, I'm gonna load #1 copper right there. And I think I'm on the axles now, so I can start to put the motors right here. And maybe the bin of 1, 2, and we'll be almost there. Because I want to put the motors over the axle so we don't have that issue that happened. So yeah, I've got 2 boxes, 1 bin of electric motors, a bin of sealed units. So that's probably like 14 to 16,000 pounds that'll be sitting right here. We're gonna give him a cleanup so he can at least work while I'm up in the office. Bit more in, and maybe in the morning we'll have an extrusion bale ready to take out. And some big ones. Come on, come on. See if I can pack this down. Anything? Nope. put this thing on last. Let's see, is there anything else I can get? I don't think I can reach that out there. I want to have the truck loaded by tomorrow, so it's ready to go. I could have done that today had I have known. Had I have known. Oh, motor. Well, you came at the right time because I'm shutting down in 15 minutes.
What do you mean?
She has to leave. I know, you came at the right time. Hey, make sure it's sideways, okay? Ooh, you swore. I heard it. Ooh. Got some explaining to do. Yep. The what? By hand? I'm not doing that. Why would I? Hey, I can pick it up with one finger. You pick it up one finger. Oh, there's my boss. Hello? Hey, I already told Willie that I don't have any number 2 copper. It's all in the trailer. Yeah. And I have to go in the office at 3 o'clock, she said. She has to leave. Shut the gate. Okay. Yeah, 10-4. All right, bye.
Hey, another thing is, on your forklift, put it high. With you, can you tilt or not?
I think that's a safety feature that it won't. 186. 186, sir. Yeah, you gotta find the sweet spot. So I was explaining to them about that. 40.
140?
40.
140.
Hey, you guys asked for a copper bale, so there's the copper bale. I'll let you know. I'm gonna guess 500. He's saying 1,200. That'd make a great thumbnail right there. Whoop whoop. Nice little thud. Wow, 672. Just a baler. Look at that. That's pretty.
Yeah, I was trying to let you know there's some loose spots on top.
Yeah, it's all right. 673 pounds. 674.
How much?
674.
672 pounds?
674, yeah. I gotta go into the office now.
How much does 674 fucking bring?
I don't know.